Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x squared, y squared, sy. We know that they are discrete number 2. They are discrete number 2. 2 divided by 2, we have number 1. So this one we have the bridge number 1, and this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v. So y we change by vs. Similar for this one. This one we change by this one. So this one we have v square s square. This one we have v s square. Next we divide by s square. Next v I will put on the right, and we have negative v. Later that we do common denominator. So this one we have 2v square. Negative number 3, negative number 2, we have negative number 5. And this one I will put on the left, the s and s we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate on this one. So, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 minus 5v squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2v. Because we don't have negative number 5, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 5. This one we change by u. 2v dv we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now the integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Next, we multiply both sides by negative number 5. Next, we have the formula in here. ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. Now I will put negative number 5 go to here. And this one we can consider about the constant that is about seen here. And this one I can put into y squared over s squared. About number 1 we can change by s squared over s squared. And we can put like this. That is about s squared minus 5y squared over s squared. Next, we have this one. ln8 minus lnb equals to ln of 8 over b. So this one we can put like this. Next, I will put this one gone here. So we have the second formula. ln8 plus lnb equals to ln of a with b. So we can apply it in here. So negative number 5 with number 2 we can put like this. And we have negative number 3. Next, about c, I can put into like this. Because they are the constant, so we can transform like this. And this one, oh sorry, not negative number 1. And this one we can put like this. Now, in this one, we can put this one like this. We put this one on the left. This is the end. Thank you for watching.